Hi art lovers, how you doing today? Have another saw blade here that I sanded down, painted, then sanded off to some of the rough stops. I think that one's a dead bug, but it's all on smooth. My other episode used some paint, didn't use it all, so we're going to use it on this one. We got some more red. My paints are Artist Loft Flow Acrylics, and they are mixed with 5% glue all, 1.5% Floetrol, and half an ounce of Flow Improver. Get some red, put some blue, touch black. Uh-oh, running out of yeller. And this might be it for my white too, I don't know. Alrighty, last one we did a tree ring pour. I think on this one here, we're going to pick it up. I'm going to put the thing on top of it, flip it over. Set it back down. I think that's going to be a lot more paint than what we need, but we'll go with it. The same way as the other one, I taped off the back, taped off the holes. That tree ring pour turned out pretty awesome. And like all my other videos, all the dried product will be at the end. And if you see something you like, leave it in the comments. And, you know, say, hey, I'd like to buy that one, or how much is that one? I'll get back to you with the price and shipping arrangements and go for there. Alright, ready? Let's try this. Well, break the seal and pour it off. Oh, that turquoise came on top. We'll just let her run, because it's way a lot more paint than what we need, so we're just going to let her run. A bunch of air bubbles. Oh. Looks like we might be getting some cells on this one. There's no silicone in these paints, but the Floetrol will make cells on its own. So, yeah, cool. A little more green than I'd like. Even though that turquoise is a pretty good color, but we'll pour some of it off and we'll see what comes up underneath. That's pretty cool, like galaxy type thing there. We'll stretch it that way. Stretch it back this way. Stretch it that way. Stretch it this way. Stretch it that way. Kind of interesting. Got some turquoise cells over here. Got some red cells over there. Got some red and black over there. Okay, let's play with this some more. Let's take this way. We got some contamination in there. It's turning green. Turquoise. Whew, that's awful bright there. That glare on that light. Trying to get my colors back down here. Always go back to the center no matter what you're pouring on to before you change directions. Don't want to heat it up too much. Yeah. Just like one big glare, at least in my monitor anyway. Not as cool as the other one, but a lot of stuff's happening in there. And you can start seeing some of those swirls. You know, kind of like an ocean type, watery type thing from the red coming through. Kind of cool. I think we're going to leave it. Scrape off the bottom. Alright, art lovers. I think we're going to call this one done. It's got some, you can see some red lines coming through all that turquoise. Some of the yellow. Kind of looks like water type thing. Looks cool. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button. You like what I'm doing, leave it down in the comments. And until next time, get out there and paint something.